good? This is trade video. I forgot. 4, I don't really remember. I tried to do the OP rewards. They didn't give me my Robux. I'm leaving. Sorry about that, but yeah, they never gave me my Robux. I got mad, so yeah, I left the group. Only got 30 Robux from it. Alright, so yeah, let's just get right into this video. So as y'all can see, I'm using screen on my screen recorder. Cause my other one was bad quality. I don't feel like using OBS cause it's laggy. I'm not lagging, but like when I'm recording, it lags. Like I'm not lagging, but when I see the video, it's lagging. I don't know why, but yeah. Send me trades. I am upgrading and downgrading. Oh yeah, I need these, bro. I forgot the value of these, bro. RBX rocks. Just a moment to access the bronzer. Please, about like 5 minutes. Alright. So I gotta copy the name now. Crap, bro. Okay, so there you go, bro. Here, resold cardboard. Oh yeah. I'm gonna like try to like. Oh, 6K value. I'm sending. This is an easy one. Bam, bam. That's perfect, bro. Perfect. Exactly its value. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. Wait, no. Catching snowflakes is like. I forgot the value of catching snowflakes. Oh, they're projected now. What the? Why is mine like? It's projected now. Like, that's weird. Okay. All I see is low demand. Alright, let's just go. Should I trade one of my friends? Bro, this is a decline. Dude, why you... I just told you to trade. We're doing equal demand. Equal on value, I mean. Bucket. I has bucket. What the... About to hit 8K. I should have never traded it. Yeah. Okay. Let's just play some... I don't really... I forgot it's a trade video. Okay. So, I forgot the limit for screen on my stick. Like the time limit. Send me bad trades. Okay, bro. He said send them bad trades. Whoa. He said send me bad trades. Okay. Wait, nah. I know he's gonna decline. Let's commander, virtual commander, I want demand. Okay, bro. I'm sending you, bro. Whoa, his pants, bro. Oh, fantastic, bro. They look fantastic. Alright, I'm sending for his hat, bro. Neon looks fantastic. I'm sending all of my items for it. So hopefully I downgrade. I want to downgrade. I forgot the value. I'm like 18K. And how much is Neon? RBX rocks. He said he wanted demand. Neon. Alright, 20K. Oh my god, stop chatting me, bro. Oh, 17K, bro. He's losing. Yes, bro. Yes, but it's bad. But it looks bad. Oh yeah. So I'ma just keep it, bro. I'ma just keep it, bro. I'ma just keep it. See, I'm gonna show you the video. Looks bad. Oh. Oh, never mind, bro. Never mind. I don't know why I don't know why I. Oh yeah, so like I don't never know why that I deleted the video. It's HD quality. HD quality. It looks amazing. Looks amazing. It's amazing. But it has the free trial on it. XD. Okay. This is basically every video. Make sure to like and subscribe and